Are you wondering how to dissolve gallstones naturally? Don't worry now, gallbladder stone removal without surgery in 7 days. Gallstones represent a digestive disorder that affects the gallbladder. The gallbladder is a tiny organ located below the liver. It is a small pouch that collects a digestive juice called bile. Bile is a greenish liquid, and this digestive liquid helps in the proper digestion of the foods. When your body has too much cholesterol, it solidifies the bile, which forms into gallstones. On a simple note, gallstones represent the hardened form of digestive juices due to high cholesterol. Rarely gallstones are made of salt and minerals. The size of the stone varies. Similarly, the symptoms, extent, and intensity of the symptoms also vary with every individual. Sometimes, it may not show up any signs at all. Gallstones causes. As stated above, imbalance in the bile juice forms into gallstones. The exact cause of how the bile forms into gallstones are unknown yet. A high level of cholesterol causes gallstones. High level of bilirubin in your gallbladder indicates chemical imbalance, which makes the juice into tiny crystals or sand-like grains. It may take a few months to several years. If your bile has too much cholesterol, you get yellow-colored stones. When your body gets more cholesterol than the bile can dissolve, it forms into stone. Essentially, it makes what you may lead to high cholesterol. On the other hand, bilirubin also leads to gallstones. It is a chemical secreted in the body due to an imbalance in the liver. Bilirubin secretion increases due to when your liver destroys the aged red blood cells in your body. Partial or total liver damage. Blood disorders. Imbalanced liver functions. These stones appear in dark brown or black color. Gallstone symptoms. The gallbladder is located on the upper side of the right abdomen, just below the liver. Generally, the condition does not show up symptoms, and it doesn't harm you. When you develop gallstones, the symptom may vary when you eat high cholesterol foods, high-fat foods, etc. The primary symptom of gallstones is a pain in the upper right abdomen. The pain usually begins when you eat, and it subsides after a few hours. When you closely watch your eating habits and choices, you can quickly identify them. Apart from this, gallstones include the following symptoms: indigestion and bloating, poor appetite, nausea and vomiting, dark urine, constipation, dark stools, constant or frequent stomach pain, pain in the stomach immediately after eating or drinking something. Gallbladder stone removal. Top 8 effective remedies. While surgical gallbladder stone removal counts as the only solution for the severe gallstone that produces multiple symptoms, you can try a few remedies before it gets worsens. 1. Cleanse your gallbladder. Every organ, be it big or small, needs a proper cleanse to eliminate toxins. A gallbladder cleanse is considered a primary remedy to remove gallstones. Changes in diet can make significant differences in your health. There is no doubt that it can help to a great extent in getting rid of gallstones. However, a gallbladder cleanse is an alternative remedy, and it has no scientific evidence. Still, there is potential that it can remove, treat, and prevent gallstones. Gallbladder cleanse generally involves eating fresh foods with herbs for a period of 2 or 3 days. There is no standard recipe, but it all has natural, fresh, and organic foods. Since the gallbladder is associated with the liver, cleansing your liver enhances the liver's functionality and gallbladder. You can do the liver cleanse in multiple ways. Try out fruit flush detox water, a raw diet with fresh fruits and vegetables for 3 to 5 days, etc. A simple gallbladder cleanse recipe. Try this for 3 to 5 days. Eat 1 or 2 apples along with your regular diet. Replace one meal or a part and include apple cider vinegar, diluted in water. It will be easier to make small changes in your diet rather than dramatically changing it. After 3 or 5 days, the next day, go for a day fasting till evening. Later, break the fast with lemon juice or warm water, adding half a spoon of Epsom salt. Do it again after a couple of hours. You will expel gallstones the next morning. 2. Powerful secret to remove gallstones. If you suspect that you suffer gallstones, Beet offers to you the best 7 days method for gallstones removal. In the first 5 days of the treatment, you should drink 4 glasses of apple juice every day. The other option is to eat 4 to 5 apples per day. The choice is yours. Gallstones get softer because of apple juice consumption. Another thing you should remember is that your diet should be standard. On the 6th day, you should not have dinner. On the 6th day, at 6 p.m., you should take 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts, magnesium sulfate, with 1 glass of lukewarm water. At 8 p.m. on the 6th day, repeat the same, take 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts. The magnesium sulfate helps the opening of the failure of the bile. At 10 p.m. the same day, take 1 cup of olive oil or sesame oil with ½ cup of fresh lemon juice. Mix the oil and the lemon juice. The oil will lubricate the gallstones and will facilitate their passage through the bile ducts. On the next 7th day, you should find green stones in your stool. 3. Exercise is an effective remedy for gallstones. You are wondering how exercise can help gallstones? This is no secret. Just analyze the cause of the gallstones. High cholesterol. When you lack physical activity, you boost the cholesterol and sugar levels in your body. Regular exercises reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the formation of gallstones. Exercise need not be too hard and too fragile. You can start gradually with moderate exercises or any physical activity. 4. Turmeric, the star ingredient in your kitchen. Turmeric is a wonderful spice with immense healing properties. It is used to address several health conditions, and why not gallstones? Turmeric can have a direct impact on eliminating gallstones and emptying the gallbladder. Turmeric is known for its excellent anti-inflammatory properties. It also aids as an analgesic, i.e., the painkiller. Adding turmeric into your foods can help you eliminate the gallbladder and prevent the formation of gallstones. Since turmeric is very versatile, you can use it in any form. Mix turmeric powder in milk and drink as turmeric latte. Add turmeric as an aromatic and coloring ingredient to spicy foods. 5. Go juicing for 3 days. Since food choices make a crucial part of gallstones and their remedy, include many fresh juices in your diet. Juicing can be an effective remedy for gallstones. It also aids as a body cleanse, which removes the gallstones. You can try juicing with different fruits. If you can, try to drink fresh fruit juices, preferably apple juice and beetroot juice, for the first 2 days. Replenish your energy with citrus fruits. Try to incorporate the vegetable juices too, for instance, cucumber and mint. Although this is similar to Gallbladder Cleanse, it involves consuming only juices. Do not try smoothies, which won't be effective. 6. Psyllium. Including high-fiber foods in your diet can help to treat gallstones. Psyllium is the richest source of fiber and makes a good remedy for gallstones. It also helps in regulating bile in the liver. Take 1 teaspoon psyllium husk, dissolve in a glass of water, drink immediately after stirring it well. You can drink it at night for best results. Make sure to drink a lot of water to avoid the feeling of dehydration. 7. Beetroot strengthen your liver. Is beet juice good for gallbladder problems? Sometimes, poor liver function leads to gallstones. So, it would help if you also focused on improving liver function. Beetroot is a wonder ingredient that strengthens your liver and boosts its functions effortlessly. Including beetroot in any form can help you in several ways. To make the most of it, intake beetroot in raw form. Drinking beet juice, fresh and natural, can do many wonders. Grate the raw beet and extract it into juice. Drink it fresh immediately after juicing, preferably in the morning. If you want to enrich the flavors, you can add ginger, squeeze a lemon, and add honey. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Pure and natural apple cider vinegar comprises acids that can eliminate gallstones and alleviate pain. The acidic property of apple cider vinegar prevents the liver from creating cholesterol responsible for gallstones. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of apple juice. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. Drink this regularly for weeks to get rid of gallstones. Gallstones, foods to avoid. Apart from chronic conditions like liver damage, gallstones are primarily a lifestyle condition. We can even conclude it as a significant trigger due to improper food habits. Mere changes in your dietary habits can help you resolve this condition to a great extent. Here is the list of foods you should avoid. Animal fats, i.e. meat, which spikes the cholesterol, processed foods, deep-fried foods, refined carbohydrates. So, friends, We hope that going through the above gallbladder stone removal will surely help you.